Oh. Her sister's almost.
Stop.
So people, today, this little minion, this big minion, and the wifey minion, we're going together to ice skate in SM Seaside. Welcome guys, welcome back to our YouTube. Welcome guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel.
Hello guys, so nandito ulit kami sa SM Seaside with Lindy and her mom. Siya ang nagkarga kay baby. And daddy, we are twinning minion from Singapore. Hi.
So last time we came, this place was kind empty, but today is too crowded. It's Sunday, so like half of the city is here in SM Seaside. You happy, baby? Huh? Little minion. So guys, we always playing hide and seek with baby Kedri and Le Mama. Right, Mama? Everyone is playing with our little minion. Running from him. So we are right today ice skating in SM Seaside. It's too crowded. I hope we can get tickets. We can get entrance. Let's see. Just take a look. Sunday in the Philippines. For ice skating here, you have to pay 350 pesos each for 2 hours. So we paid 1,050, but you need to pay extra for the polar bear. Right, Lindy? We pay extra to get 2 polar bears because Lindy and Chelita need that. So how do you skate? Huh? Wow! Professional!
Lindy, come. Maya, masaya, boy.
After 1 hour, we are ready. We're going to eat something fast, and they are going to ice skating. Right, Lindy? Lindy's happy. Are you happy also, baby Kendrick? Oh, Minions family. So cute, cousins playing around. So our drinks, Sprite, iced tea, and cucumber juice. I didn't try cucumber juice. It should be my first time. I'm going to get a bit from Chelita. Let's try. Smell like cucumber. Not delicious. Oh, but it tastes really good. So today's food. This is the sizzling beef, the hamburger. This is steak cebuana and fried chicken for Lindy. Let's give it a try. Oh, yummy! Next stop, ice skating.
And guys, andito yung ticket namin sa ice skating. Are?
Welcome to the vlog.
Ayan, tingnan nyo, nakasapatos na kami. Ayan, iba yung ano dito, yung sapatos wala silang, yung, ha? Ay, ayan na lang. Ayan o, naka-ready na kami, hapit na kami. Hi! sapatos din. Lalo, bebe. Excited na ka, be? Pero? Later na, be! Excited ako, libe ako kay ba? Ayan guys! Uy, uy, babangga siya! Okay na ka dalindi! Ayan si Daddy with baby Kede. Hindi sila makasali.
Her sister just fell down. Whoa. Cholita's trying to learn without the bear. Just take out. No training, no bear, nothing. Just by herself, huh? Ah. Almost. Her sister's almost falling down the whole time. Lynn is really good. Oh my god, she's going to fall down. Is she going to fall down? Yep. Look who's coming. Lindy and Chelita. She's becoming good. She's learning fast. Also look to Lindy. Wow, look at Robot Chela, that minion Chela doing her best. Whoa. Super focused. So while baby and me are waiting, we're going to play here in Gotcha Prize. Let's check some games. Let's try to get one of these. No. So after losing 100 pesos trying to get a Pikachu, I'm going back to wait for our girls. Oh, Lindy, you feel your elbow and your knee? What happened there, Chelita? You're full of bruises.
Hello, trauma. Color purple.
Yeah, you're full of bruises.
Look.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, wow. Now he's not afraid because he has Lindy.
Uy. Okay. Enjoy, baby Kedri. Lindy and Kedrick enjoy. Oh, look at that smile. Oh, my adorable minion. What a big carousel. Oh, Lindy. Oh, Chelita. Let's see if Chelita can get that Pikachu. When I fail, maybe Chelita's going to success. Oh, Chelita. Get it, Chelita. No. Do it.
Oh, Chelita, try. Try, get that Pikachu. Oh, let's see. Oh. That's why you wanted to try?
Yeah, I'm super good.
Oh. Who's going to win? Lindy or Chelita? Oh, Lindy and Chelita. Oh, Chelita. Oh, Chelita defeated Lindy. Oh, Lindy. Oh, second place, Lindy.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely